So once you have entered sufficient values over a sufficient period of time, you can use tools like statistics comparisons to analyze your data if you have an idea of what's happening or not. For example, in Dashboard, let's select statistics comparisons here. I can compare up to 4 statistics. So let me compare, for example, 2 different technicians. I have technician 1, and I'll select as a second graph technicians 2. And now I have 2 values, 2 graphs overlaid. Now there's a couple of things I can do here. First thing is the values are not similar, so I could check graph on one scale so that it shows me on one single scale how one is compared to the other. I can also easily slide into time. For example, here they're both on the same time frame, but I can change one so that it slides, and you can see now at the bottom there's 2 time frames. Another way you can use this tool is to compare the same statistic but over a different time frame. So let's go back to Dashboard. Let's click on Statistic Comparisons. And now I'm going to take a look at my income over 2 years. So that's easy. I select the graph income, and I select another time the graph income. Of course, right now I will see only one graph because I'm overlaying one on the other and they're exactly the same. But let's say I want to take a look at how 2016 was compared to 2015. All I need to do is change the date here. I can type 2015, and then suddenly I have 2 time frames here, and I can take a look at this and use this for analysis purposes. For example, it's markedly higher here, except at this period of time. Did something specific happen here? Well, that's what you can use this tool for. So to wrap up this video about easy comparisons, you may use this, for example, for analysis. If you're looking at this and you're wondering why are the results different, maybe you changed in this example, I'll assume you changed the way you did your promotional efforts. Well, it's easy to check. Let me keep income here. I'll put the same date everywhere. And here I'll just take a look at the statistic I keep for promotional efforts. Now, because the scales are really different, we don't see much like this, so I'm just going to uncheck the box here, and then suddenly there is another pattern that you can see. There is a little delay between the time of the peak of promotion efforts and an increase in income, so that would be a good way to further analyze. So that was an example.